Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to design a cover of the book only using Photoshop. First we need to go to Photoshop, creating a new document, and here we can add the size of the book, width like 34 centimeters and height like 22. That's all right. Resolution must be 300 because we need quality, and color mode we need to set this one to CMYK because we need to print this one. Anything that we want to print must be at this color mode, CMYK. And color profile we need to set this one to don't color manage because I don't want to Photoshop mess up my colors. Anyway, all right, and first I need to find the middle of the book here, and then I need to add some pictures of the book. The name of the book is Lost Neighborhood, and this is the picture that I want to use for the front page of the cover. I need to add this one to the Photoshop. As you can see, the image is kind of not at the right angle, and I want to fix this one. Press Ctrl+A to select all, and Ctrl+T, that's all right, and press C to let me deselect all the selections. Press C to crop the photo. Yep, that's it. That's it. That's perfect. And yep, press Enter. That's great. Press Ctrl+J to have a copy of the layer. Ctrl+C to copy, and here Ctrl+V to paste the picture. That's great. That's great. Then I need to use brush tool to add some design to this one. I need to have this one or this one. Let me try this. For the best color management of the cover of the book, the better option is to select the colors from the picture for the cover of the design. I pick the brush tool, select the background layer. I select this color of the here, this blue one. Yep, press Shift, and yep, that's great. And for the behind of this picture, this is quite simple. We don't want to print this one, believe me. I need to add some colors or some features, some details to this picture that is quietly interesting for the readers of the book, like this one. Yeah, that's great. And this one. I think the second color of this picture is yellow. I picked the yellow from here. This one, yep, and then yes, fantastic. And some red for here. Then I need to add some depth to this picture. Double click on the layer, and layer style here drops some shadow. For the shadow, this blend mode on multiply opacity to 100% and distance 14 pixels, and the size of the shadow must be 35 pixels. And of course we can change these values, and yep, but 14 I think is quite good. And the size, yep, this is great. All right, then we need to add the title or the name of the book. Clicking on T, and we can type the name of the book, the capital letters, the Lost here, and have another copy of this one. We can change the color like yellow. Change the font. I think Georgia must be great. Bold italic. I select the bold one and reduce the size of the font like 30 or 25. That's great. We need to add some stroke to this one. Stroke must be from the outside. And yep, I'm adding some shadow distance, like yep, that's great. And the last, this must be fine. And the font of this one, Georgia, the last neighborhood. All right, and we can write here, this is for example. And as you can see, the word of story is not quite visible for the viewers. I mean, the colors behind, I changed the color, or before that, adding some brush to the behind. Yeah, that's great. And we can change the color of the font, like this one. This is beyond the good. This is incredible. Wow. And for the back of the cover of the book, I want to add this picture here. All right, and we can add some, we can pick the brush tool again and adding some brush here, the yellow one and the blue. And we can add some digest here at the book. I mean, this is for instance, this is not a real book, like 15. Yep. The story is about man that is lost in a neighborhood and he tries to find his way. All right, I need to add some brush to the white color here, is not interesting for the viewers. So I can pick the brush tool here. I can increase the size, new layer, select the color like yellow, and I can select another brush here. Let me find this one, and yep, this one. And another brush here like this one. You can try so many things here, so many brushes here, and as you wish, you can find the best one for your design. And of course, I can reduce the opacity like 20%. This is incredible. I can change the color of this one. We can add red or any color that we want. I think the blue is quite good here, and we can add some brush here. This is incredible. So, and of course, for the middle of the book here, I can set the neighborhood to the left, and for here I can add some brush here for the middle of the book, like here and here. Yes. So I picked the rectangle selectional tool, and yes, I can use the brush tool here, another layer here. I can select the color here using Alt here. And it's incredible. Perfectly fits the background. And of course, you can do it so much better from me. And I hope you enjoyed that. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want more videos like this, just comment down below. Thank you for watching.